in the hills and cane fields of Jamaica. Long before electricity lit the night, people whispered about Obeah, mysterious spiritual practice, feared and respected in equal measure. Obeah came to the island with enslaved Africans from West and Central Africa. It was more than magic. It was protection, healing, justice, and sometimes revenge. An Obeah man, or Obeah woman, was believed to speak with spirits, mix powerful herbs, set charms, and see what others could not. Some said an Obeah worker could turn bad luck into good fortune, send sickness to an enemy, protect a home with buried charms, or reveal hidden truths in dreams. Planters during slavery feared Obeah deeply. After events like Taki's War, colonial authorities outlawed it, believing it gave enslaved people spiritual strength and courage to resist. But even laws could not silence belief. In rural communities, people still warn, "Don't trouble nobody, because them might carry you go Obeah." Some stories tell of shadows moving at crossroads at midnight. Others speak of bottles filled with strange objects buried beneath doorsteps. And if you wake up and find powder sprinkled across your yard, you might want to ask yourself who you crossed. Because in Jamaican folklore, Obeah is not just a story, it is power unseen.